Maragsakan na po nga ada dito kada kayo tata. Babaen ta iti maysa apo nga iso iti kasla primary nga pagbatayan datoy apo administrasyon nga baro tata apo is datoy pagkaysa. And look at it nga bagbaga na kapit bisig apo. This is just another word of saying united. It is healthy always to have discussions, to have different point of views. Hindi lugar yun. Just have the patience and ear to listen to each and everyone. There is no reason for me to fail if all of you will pitch in and help me. Because I only have one thing in my mind. It is to serve our province of La Union na pudno kinasuli apo. And at least, very transparent apo iti probinsya tayo when it comes to dealings with all kinds of problems and negotiations.